iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro both have the same L-shaped logic board. Highlights: iPhone 12 seems to have a plastic filing in place of LiDAR sensor. Both iPhone models share the same TrueDepth Camera system. iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro carry the same 2,815 mAh battery. iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro have surfaced in a new Teardown video on a Chinese technology channel that reveals how identically both new models are designed. At the launch last week, Apple announced that both iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro share the same display size as well as the same dimensions. The latest Teardown, however, shows us that apart from their displays and dimensions, the two new iPhone models also share most of the internal components. The Teardown comes just at the time when the iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro have been put on sale in key markets including the US, UK, Australia, Canada, China, and Japan. As per the Teardown video, which is available on Chinese video streaming portal Bilibili, the iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro both use the same L-shaped logic board. The iPhone 12 Pro, however, has a connector separately for the LiDAR sensor, which isn't available on the iPhone 12. However, the video shows that in place of the LiDAR sensor as well as the telephoto shooter that both are available on the iPhone 12 Pro, Apple has used a plastic filing on the iPhone 12. This was required as apparently the chassis of both the iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro share the same compartments for internal components. Similar to the backside, the front of the iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro also have the same set of components. These include the same TrueDepth camera system as well as the display assembly and the earpiece. The Teardown video also mentions that most of the internal components of the iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro are so identical that they could easily be interchangeable. However, Apple hasn't provided any clarity on whether an iPhone 12 part could be used in the iPhone 12 Pro or vice versa. Additionally, the iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro both come with the same 2,815 mAh battery. The MagSafe component as well as the wireless charging coil are also, needless to say, identical on both models. The numerous similarities between the iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro could convince a large number of customers towards the non-Pro variant, which is significantly cheaper. The difference is of Rs. 35,000 when looking at their India prices. Also, this isn't something that we saw with the case of the iPhone 11 $49,999 and iPhone 11 Pro $79,999 as both had several noticeable differences. That being said, the key difference between the iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro is the build quality, as the former has an aluminum frame, while the latter offers a stainless steel design. The Pro version is also capable of delivering a better photography experience, thanks to the addition of the LiDAR sensor and the telephoto shooter. Thank you.
Audio Jungle.